Caitlin Clark has done for women's basketball what Michael Jordan once did for the NBA. Elevate it into the mainstream spotlight. But her meteoric rise has come at a cost for rival Angel Reese, who has now filed a lawsuit against Clark after losing major sponsorships, a legal fight that's set to shake the business of women's sports. Once known as the Bayou Barbie, Reese built her brand on swagger, personality, and social media virality. Sponsors flocked to her, captivated by her charisma and on-court taunts. But the transition to the WNBA has been rocky. Her sponsorship deals dried up almost overnight while Clark surged ahead, breaking records, selling out arenas, and dominating both the court and the business side of basketball. The tipping point came when Ice Cube offered Clark $5 million to join his Big Three league, a bold statement that Clark wasn't just a player, but the future face of women's sports. Ratings, attendance, and jersey sales skyrocketed around her. Social media engagement exploded, with Clark generating 800 million views in just 90 days, more than the NBA and NFL combined. She wasn't just an athlete, she was a brand. Meanwhile, Reese's momentum faltered. Ice Cube bluntly rejected the idea of offering her a similar deal, saying she simply didn't draw the numbers Clark did. That rejection wasn't just a lost opportunity, it was public humiliation. For Reese, the lawsuit isn't just about money. It's about reclaiming her image, her sponsorships, and her seat at the table of marketable athletes. Reese's fans, loyal to her fiery persona, were furious. Social media erupted with claims of double standards, racism, and sexism. They argue Reese is punished for the same competitive energy that Clark is celebrated for. When Clark taunts, it's framed as passion. When Reese does it, it's branded as drama. For many, this lawsuit is about more than contracts. It's about fairness and perception in women's sports. But sponsors don't live in feelings, they live in numbers. And the numbers overwhelmingly favor Clark. When she plays, WNBA attendance jumps 105%. Her jersey sales spiked over 1,000%. League Pass subscriptions tripled after her arrival. She has become the single most bankable star in women's basketball. Reese, once a social media darling, has struggled to prove consistent value on the court. Her brand, once built on viral moments, has increasingly been viewed as volatile compared to Clark's steady marketability. For corporate backers, the choice has been clear. Clark is a guaranteed return on investment. Reese is seen as a gamble. Now, this rivalry has moved from the hardwood to the courtroom. Reese is fighting not just for sponsorship dollars, but for respect and recognition. Clark doesn't have to fight at all. Her performance and market impact are doing it for her. This battle is no longer just about basketball. It's about perception versus profit, personality versus performance, and how corporate America decides which athletes are worth the investment. For Angel Reese, it's about proving she still belongs. For Caitlin Clark, the numbers already speak louder than words.